Hello everyone, I am Themis and this is
John, nice to meet you.
and today we will be unboxing this new chair from Noble. The model of the chair is Dawn. With no further ado, let's start the unboxing. Let's open the box. First and foremost, as you can see here, it says attention, do not open with sharp objects. We definitely didn't do that. As you open the package, the first thing you will see is this protective foam on top to protect whoever tries to open it with a sharp object.
Me.
Here we have the instructions, we won't need those. Let's start. Left and right, these are probably the armrests for the chair. Next we have the headrest.
Can I take it please? With the correct way, guys, like a true gamer. Yeah.
It's upside down. Have this box, it's heavy. This must be the mechanism for the base of the chair to get the chair higher or lower. The base of the chair, this is just to keep everything in place. We are in the main compartment. Here we have the first piece, which seems to be the seat of the chair. Feels very nice in the hand. And I think that must be the last piece. This is the backrest of the seat.
So, let's start guys.
Yes, this is not the instructions.
Yeah, it's not the instruction. Appreciate it, huh?
Συμβαίνουν αυτά στα live, παιδιά.
Second time, eh?
That's why you brought me here. You want me to tighten the screws.
Who, me?
You want me to hold my hands.
No. You say bad words right now. Keep working.
You can tell us a story while I'm tightening the screws. So, the last piece for the body of the chair is the headrest. To add the headrest, we just slot it in here. It takes a bit of pushing to put it in place. It's alright. We'll tighten the last two screws.
It's a very beautiful chair.
Θα μου βγάλουν παρατσούκλι ο Θέμης ο Βιδολόγος στο κανάλι. Έχουμε βιδώνους όλα τα βίντεο. Τίποτα άλλο δεν θα κάνω, ό,τι θα μιλάω. So we have the main body of the chair ready. And it's time for the final step. We have to put the body of the chair on the wheels. And we will obviously do it on the table because it makes sense.
Yeah. So guys, tell me about this chair. What is your opinion?
It was one of the easiest chairs I have built compared to other experience I've had with cheaper chairs that try to achieve a similar look and have very similar purpose. Everything is nice and tactile. You can see you also have fold down the armrest and have only this small piece to rest your hand on. And it is also very easy to move up and down. You can just pull it to go up and you just press the button. Rotate this and then it will go down by its own.
We don't have the option to turn it left or right.
There is no adjustment for left and right movement.
No.
Please, be my guest.
Okay, okay. Let's start guys. It's a little bit hard. Please.
Of course I will try it. Okay, this is very nice. You can set in the position you want, and if you slightly pull upward, like this, it will continue going up and then go down, like this.
The big question from me, okay?
What's the big question?
So, because I'm a gamer,
Yes. Does gaming know about it?
okay, will you recommend it?
I haven't tried it for that long of a period, but yes, it seems very comfortable. It's definitely more comfortable than both the chairs I have at work and home. Yes, it might be a bit hard, but rest your back on. But part of this is because if a new chair, a new cushion will always be harder, and it will soften and get closer to how your body is as long as you use it. Please like and subscribe and tell us who is the hardest worker. Thank you.
Me, of course. Of course, miss, guys. Bye bye.
Bye.